Okay, then coming to the last topic in this chapter, matter in our surroundings or matter around us. Particulate nature of matter is completed for class 8 students up to physical properties only. Up to physical properties only. After that, change in the temperature to evaporation. This is for only class 9 students. Keep in mind that last topic is evaporation. Last topic is evaporation. What is meant by the evaporation? As we know, on heating, a liquid can convert into vapor or gas. That is called vaporization or boiling. But to change the liquid substance into gaseous substance, we no need to heat the liquid. Without heating, also a liquid can easily convert into gas. For example, if you pour some amount of water on the floor, after some time we observe that there will be no water, or while we are cleaning the floor, while doing mopping, right? After some time, no water is present on the floor. That means what will happen? Where does that water goes? That means the water evaporates, convert into vapor. As we heated the floor to change the water into gas? No. Without heating, water easily converts into vapor, or a liquid can easily convert into vapor. Such phenomena is called as evaporation. So, evaporation is the process of conversion or conversion of a liquid into a gas or vapor below its boiling point. The conversion of a liquid into gas even below its boiling point. If the liquid convert into gas at the boiling point, we can call it boiling or vaporization. We can call it as boiling or vaporization. Without heating, below its boiling point, the liquid turns into gas. Water evaporates and convert into gas without heating. That means below 100 degrees centigrade. Water evaporates. So, evaporation of water from the water bodies. Even the hot summer also, the temperature is maximum 50. But what is the boiling point of water? 100 degrees centigrade. At 50 degrees centigrade also, the water is evaporate without heating below its boiling point. Such process or the phenomena is called evaporation. is called evaporation. What happened in case of evaporation? So, if you take some amount of water in a beaker, if you take some amount of water in a beaker and left it for some time or a few days, so the level of water decreases in the beaker, because what will happen? Why the level decreases? That means volume decreases. That means volume decreases because of what? Because of evaporation. Because of evaporation. How? We did not heat, we did not supply any heat into the beaker, but without heating, the volume decreases, the water evaporates. The reason behind is, as we know, matter is made of small particles. These small particles are very small. Particles are very small and they move continuously. So, due to the continuous movement of the molecules of water or particles of water, while they are moving continuously, they hit each other, they collide each other. While they hit each other, so every particle, every molecule has some energy. So the energy is transferred between one particle to another particle, one particle to another particle. So the particles which get more energy reach the surface of liquid or the water. Due to some atmospheric condition, they escape from the surface. So in this way, the level of water decreases, the volume of water decreases, then water is easily converted to gas without heating below its boiling point. Molecules or the particles of liquid moves continuously. They hit each other, they gain energy, they reach the surface and they escape from the surface. So during classroom, in case of breaks, while you are coming to try to come out from the class, sometimes you are pushed with your classmates or your friends on pushing or pulling. What will happen? Whoever come very close to the door, near the door, they step out from the class very quickly than the others. Similarly, during the collision between the particles, during the hitting of particles each other due to its continuous movement, the particle which get the more energy reach the surface of the liquid or the water and escapes, converted to gas. This is happening in case of evaporation. But in case of boiling, we must heat the water. We must heat the water compulsory. On heating, as we know, these are the particles of or molecules of water. So here, in case of boiling, the water molecules or particles which are bottom of the container absorb the energy first. They move towards the surface. And escape. Then the molecule which are away from the bottom, they come down. They get heated, absorb heat energy and escape. So in this way, the bottom molecules absorb the energy. They came to the surface of the liquid and evaporate. Similarly, in this way, what will happen? The molecules are get the energy and reach. which are bottom, more get more energy and escape. Then the remaining the place is replaced by the other particles. In this way, they are moving continuously. That's why boiling is a boiling. That's why boiling is a bulk phenomena. Boiling is bulk phenomena, whereas evaporation is surface phenomena. Evaporation is surface phenomena. Here particles are molecules. Surface here the particles absorb the energy and leave the surface. So it is a cooling phenomena. It is a warming process. Boiling is a warming process. Okay, let us discuss about it. So surface phenomena and the boiling phenomena. Then this evaporation, because of the evaporation of water from the water bodies, what will happen? Clouds are formed. Then on cooling, the water vapor convert into water, condensation takes place. Due to more cooling condition, precipitation takes place, rain. In this way happening. Then this evaporation depends on some factors. So factors affecting evaporation. Factors affecting evaporation. There are some factors affect the rate of evaporation. They are surface area. There are surface area, humidity, wind speed, temperature, and nature of the substance also. Nature of the substance or nothing but the leaf. So these are the factors which are influence and affect the rate of evaporation. Here the rate of evaporation in the sense evaporation takes place quickly or slowly, faster or slower. Let us discuss surface area. So if it is more surface area, more rate of evaporation. More surface area, more evaporation. Less surface area, less evaporation takes place. Because as we discussed, surface area is more. So because it is surface phenomena, molecules are collide each other, and they escape from the surface. If we consider here one more beaker with the same quantity of water, here two beakers we have A and B. Beaker A has more surface area than beaker B. So evaporation is more because of more space is available. Here evaporation is lesser because of surface area is lesser. So rate of evaporation is less. That's why sometimes while we are tasting or sipping hot tea or coffee, we prefer saucer rather than a cup. Cup has less surface area, whereas saucer has more surface area. So if you take same amount of water in a glass, in a bowl and in a plate, the water evaporate very quickly in case of plate because of more surface area. Because of more surface area. Right. So more surface area, rate of evaporation is more. Less surface area, rate of evaporation is less. Then coming to humidity. Coming to the humidity. So humidity is nothing but amount of water vapor. Amount of water vapor in the atmosphere. Amount of water vapor in the atmosphere we can call the humidity. More humidity, less rate of evaporation. Less humidity, more evaporation. Because of humidity, already some percentage of water vapor is present. So when water evaporates, converts into vapor only. So no space is available to join the new water vapor molecules in case of more humidity. So more humidity in the atmosphere, less rate of evaporation takes place. If the less humidity in the atmosphere, more evaporation takes place. Then wind speed. So more wind speed, rate of evaporation is more. So wind speed is increases, rate of evaporation also increases. Wind speed is increases, rate of evaporation also decreases. So during windy day, the wet clothes are become dry quickly than the other day. After washing the clothes, whenever we dry up outside, in the inside, outside easily evaporate than inside. Or under the fan, without the fan, under the fan, the wet clothes dry up quickly because of already the clothes have surface area, right? More surface area, evaporation is more. As wind blows, with the air flows, then along with the air particles, more water molecules also escape from the cloth. That's why more wind speed, more rate of evaporation, less wind speed, less rate of evaporation. Coming to temperature, as usually. So more temperature, they absorb more amount of energy. Already they have some amount of energy. During collision, get energy due to heat or due to temperature. They have more energy. Then escape very easily. So water evaporate quickly or more in case of summer than the other seasons. Then nature of the substance. So based on the nature of the substance, rate of evaporation also decrease. So if you take water, then oil and alcohol or the petrol or alcohol evaporate quickly than water, than oil. But depends on some density, some viscosity, some other things are there. But nature of the substance. So nature of the substance. Petrol, diesel, kerosene, petrol, spirit, these are evaporate quickly than the water. So some daily life applications. Of evaporation. Daily life applications of evaporation, right? So as we discussed, the cooling caused by evaporation is based on the fact that when liquid evaporates to the latent heat of vaporization, anything which you touches. So evaporation is a cooling process. Daily life applications are if we put some amount of spirit or alcohol in our palm, we can feel some cool cool experience we can feel experiences because of evaporation. Because of evaporation. During hot summer days, water usually kept in the earthenware pots. Earthenware pots. So earthen pots. These earthen pots having small porous, small holes. When we pour the water in the earthenware pot, a clay pot, what will happen? The water comes out from the small holes of earthenware pots. The water evaporate. Inside, the water become cool. Better we have to use earthenware pots during hot summer for giving cold to water instead of refrigerator. Perspiration or sweating in our body. Sweating in our body is a method of happened because of evaporation. Due to hot summer, water removed from our body, dehydration takes place. So water sweat is formed on our body. Due to evaporation, the water dehydrated, water is evaporated, then we can feel some cool. Means it helps to maintain a constant temperature. And we should wear a cotton clothes during hot summer because cotton clothes absorb the sweat, nothing but the water. Then the sweat absorbed by the clothes, so evaporate from the clothes, and we can feel very comfortable and we can feel very cool also. Then a desert coolers better on a hot and dry day because of during high temperature rate of evaporation increases. Increase of water. Due to increasing rate of evaporation of water, a desert cooler cool better in a hot day. Then already we discussed we are able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer rather than a cup because of saucer has more surface area than the cup. So rate of evaporation is increases while increasing the surface area. So this is our chapter matter in our surroundings. So all the topics are completed. Thank you so much. As usual request, don't forget to give like and comment, share and subscribe if you are not subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.